Hi guys, and welcome to my first video. I'm sitting here in a house waiting to surprise two kids that had lost so much with this gaming setup. Their dad wanted me to build them one sometime this year. Unfortunately it passed a few months ago, and despite mine and the hospital's attempts, he did not pull through. First, I would like to thank all the sponsors involved. Thank you to Nitro Concepts for the chair, Gigabyte for the keyboard, the mouse and the headset, and of course the motherboard, Lion Leaf for the case, power supply and fans, LG for the monitor, Zotac for the GPU, Bits Power for the water cooling parts, MMPC Tech for the GPU bracket that enabled the vertical mounting in this case, Black Ice for the radiator and Liquid Cool for the fluid. I'd also like to thank To The Wire Custom Sleeving, and I'd also like to thank Intel for the CPU, and not forgetting A-Pacer who supplied the memory and the SSDs. This rig is going to be liked a lot.
Here I am waiting in the house. The kids are about to come in and find their surprise. Let's see how they react.
Hello there. Hell? Where did you get that from? Is that Richard? Is it Richard?
No, it's Richard.
That odd? Is it actually?
Yeah.
Who made it?
Who do you think made it?
Richard?
Yeah.
And he's there?
Hi you guys.
What do you think?
How? What is it?
What do you think of your new PC? Your dad wanted you to have one.
This is it, mine.
It's both of yours. Your dad wanted you to have a gaming PC, so you've got one.
Yay! I thought it was like a computer for you, Mum.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's already got games on it.
Yes.
Oh
A lot of the companies involved.
Tyler. Tyler, can I sit down?
Sit on my lap.
No, sit down.
That's welcome, I'll change you.
Tyler, can I sit down on it?
Sit down on me. Sit down on me.
No, I want to film.
This is a surprise.
No, Tyler, I want to sit down on it.
Sit on my.
No, I want to sit on there.
A load of companies gave loads of stuff for it because they knew what a nice guy your dad was.
What did they say? The Thorne?
Yep. On the side of the case, it's at the bottom on the side. It's engraved into the glass.
Sorry.
I want to sit down on the chair. I want to sit on the left.
Let him have a little seat on the chair, Tyler.
Wow.
There's even earphones.
Oh my god.
This must have been yours, wasn't it?
No, company sent that just for you guys.
I'd have to do the homework on this.
The rope is up.
That's Xbox. Look at the games we've already got there, Jay. Black Ops, Call of Duty, Rise of the Tomb Raider.
Load that Epic Games icon. One of your favourite games are under there.
Oh no. I know what game it is. Fortnite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fortnite, Jay.
Where?
There, go on it. Look.
Where's Fortnite?
Here.
That Fortnite.
Oh, so it'll be under there. Fortnite. See?
Hope your kids enjoy it.
Thank you to everyone who donated the part.
You guys deserve it.